Hey there! If you've clicked on this video, chances are you're in search of something that can soothe your mind and melt your stresses away. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to take you through a journey of some of the most satisfying videos on the internet. Trust me, once you start watching, you might not be able to stop. First up, imagine a scene where a knife smoothly glides through a bar of soap, carving out perfect curls each time. Close your eyes and just listen to that soft, crunching sound. Feels good, right? There's something unbelievably calming about watching something so precise and perfect. Next, picture this: a brush gliding over a watercolor paper, spreading vibrant colors in a fluid, effortless motion. Each stroke blends seamlessly into the next, creating a vivid tapestry of colors that dance on the paper. It's like watching magic happen right before your eyes. And the best part? The sound of the brush. It's almost like a gentle whisper. Now let's switch gears a bit. Have you ever seen those videos where a pressure washer removes years of dirt from a patio? It's not just cleaning, it's an instant transformation. The stark contrast between the dirty and clean surfaces is not just visually appealing, but incredibly satisfying. There's a rhythm to the sound of the water jet that can be surprisingly calming. And who can forget the classic kinetic sand cutting? The way the sand holds its shape right until the cutter slices through, creating perfect, smooth cross-sections. It's oddly gratifying and almost hypnotic to watch those precise cuts. I also can't help but mention the slow-motion videos of things being crushed by a hydraulic press. Whether it's a fruit, a ball, or some crunchy object, the slow crush and burst of colors and textures can be unexpectedly mesmerizing and satisfying. Now, while these videos are a great way to relax and unwind, they're also a testament to the simple joys of life. Sometimes, all it takes is a moment of pause, a simple video, to bring us back to a state of calm and mindfulness. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember these little escapes are just a click away. Thanks for joining me in this satisfying journey. I hope you found a moment of peace and a bit of joy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that help you relax and find satisfaction in the simple things. Until next time, take care and keep finding joy in the little things.